Today we will make an excellent natural fungicide that will prevent fungi from appearing on your plants. It is critical to do this as soon as possible to avoid crop loss. I'll show you two different fungicides. We'll make the first with only one ingredient and the second with three. Plants must be protected from pests and diseases in order to grow successfully and produce well. Powdery mildew and blight are fungal diseases that can devastate cucumber, tomato, and other plant crops. The use of organic fungicides contributes to the environmentally friendly control of plant diseases. Organic fungicides are natural products that do not contain toxic chemicals that can harm the environment or human health. Plants should be sprayed with organic fungicides on a regular basis to help prevent disease spread and keep them healthy throughout the growing season. This reduces the need for more aggressive treatment methods once the disease has developed, which can be ineffective and expensive. To 800 milliliters of warm water, add 1 tablespoon garlic powder. You may also use fresh garlic. Garlic contains natural antimicrobial compounds like allicin, which has fungicidal properties. Spraying garlic can help control the growth and spread of fungal infections on plants. In addition, garlic is a natural and environmentally friendly product. If you want an even stronger fungicide, add 100 ml of milk. Milk contains bacteria that produce antimicrobial substances, as well as proteins that aid in the fight against fungal infections. Diluted milk can be used as a plant spray to inhibit fungal growth and boost immunity. Milk is used not only as a fungicide, but also as a plant supplement. The final ingredient is the widely known baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon. Baking soda inhibits fungal growth and reproduction. It inhibits the germination of fungal spores, which aids in the control of fungal diseases in plants. When baking soda is applied to plants, it alkalizes the leaves' surfaces. This creates an unfavorable environment for many fungi, which prefer an acidic environment to grow and reproduce. Spray the plants every few days, primarily after rain. We appreciate you watching us. We would appreciate it if you shared this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thank you.